hapon natin ngayon sa South Korea at nakaupo po ako sa harap ng Gyeongbokgung Palace. Ayan. O, diba? Naghihintay kami ng oras dahil ang aking Junakis ay tulog. And medyo cranky siya ngayong umaga dahil hindi enough ang sleep. But we had breakfast already. And yeah, let's wait for him to wake up at mag-hire tayo ng hanbok. Ano kaya magiging itsura natin with the hanbok? Anyways, ayun ang ating itinerary for today. Itatry natin magsuot ng kanilang traditional clothing o yun ng hanbok. And later on, baka makapasyal tayo sa Hanok Village, di ba? Tingnan natin. Alright, tingnan nyo naman ang mga trees behind me. Dali, tingnan natin yung sa harap. Actually, naka-ano lang ako, naka-jumper, pero tatlong doble sa harap. Ay, sa harap tuloy, sa loob. So, hindi naman, it's not bad. Malamig ngayon, actually. Third day namin dito. First day, second day, it was alright. Ngayon, medyo mas malamig. Kasi alam nyo, 7 degrees, pero ang problema, super windy. Super windy, yun talaga yung nakakalamig, sobra. Pakita ko sa inyo yung sa harap. O, diba? Ang aking Junakis, ayun. Tulog siya. Hayaan nating matulog muna. Kasi para hindi siya, cranky mamaya. Baka ayaw magsuot nito ng hanbok. Mahal, say hi. Good morning. O, diba? Guys, tignan nyo, ang ganda-ganda dito. O, diba? O, pak. O, ganda. Asa na ba ako? Ayun. So, guys, update namin kayo mamaya, ha? Kung ano magiging looks namin. Okay? See ya! O, nasa Paris na tayo. Yan, nagtambay muna kami sa restaurant dito sa harap ng palace. It's called Falbalas. Falbala. It's an Italian restaurant. Kain na tayo ng lunch. Kahit kakakain lang namin ng breakfast para makatulog. I'm not sure. French siguro, French. Okay, ayan, si Kian. Asan mo si Kian? Ayun. Hintayin natin magising. Mamaya na tayo mag-handbook para may time pa siyang makapag-sleep, makapag-nap. Para nasa mood siya mamaya. Ayan. So, we just ordered carbonara and scallop pasta. And tambay lang muna tayo dito. Hello. Mix natin yung aking carbonara. I'll show you. Ay, mahulog na naman. Big bite, mahal. Big bite. Kumain. Nag-order ako ng carbonara, si mahal, scallop pasta. At ito, nilagay ko sa ibang plate kasi may raw egg, di ba? Ang carbonara, yung traditional carbonara is talaga may egg talaga. So, inalis ko sa isang, nilipat ko sa isang plate kasi nga, sikiyat. Aray! Ano ba yung nasa throat ko? Ano yata? Pepper. Nilipat ko nga sa, nawala akong boses, saglit nga. Ayan, nasa ibang plate siya kasi nga, raw ang egg. Diba? Kakainin ni Kian yung isa. At, yeah, we'll enjoy our lunch. Dito kami sa Instadong. Ayan.
What's up, guys? Today we're somewhere. You want to see my costume? Yeah. Dada's costume. And Mama's costume. Princess. And so did my costume. Hurrah! Alright, let's go. Okay. Hold the camera. Look at my hat. Demon. I also have a belt. Cannot see. That is costume. It looks so cool. Look at these costumes. Dada. And my stroller is ready. We're gonna take a photo. And Dada, can I take a photo with the camera?
Yeah, we have to go take some family photos with them.
Okay. Right. We can take a photo with you guys and let's go. Alright. Alrighty. Let's go and oh my god. I almost slipped. Oh my god.
Cute po. Watch where you're walking.
Let's go. Right, let's go. We just take a photo.
Yes, I don't si Dada parang ano eh.
Look at Mama. Oh yeah. Alright, let's go. Keep on going. Alright, Ma, hold the camera, okay?
Okay.
I'm just gonna hold the microphone. Alright, let's go. So now we're just going to explore and there's the oh it's pretty windy. Let's go. And there's there. I'm gonna get so close to the Dada, say hi again. Mama, say hi again as well. And me. Alright, let's go. You want to see my costume again? Nah, you already see it. Alright, let's go. Let's go everywhere. Did you even see my clothes yet? Yeah, you did, but I don't know if you see my clothes. What's this? Yeah. Let's go inside here. No, Dada. Now that has the hat and me. Ah. We're going this way. I thought we were going inside there. Ah. Oh yeah, we are. But this side. Alright. Let's keep on going.
Stand over here.
Alright, let's take photos.
Yeah, you can keep going.
Right. Let's see, Mama. Take a photo. Dad, I want to take a photo of Mama as well. Right. We just came. We just take a picture. Someone take all of us a picture as a family. I mean, we're still in our costumes. We're gonna return it soon, I think. Alright, let's go. How are you, idol? Give me kisses, baby, biggie. Tires, Bowlerverse, every January. No one good on you now. I'm just on you now. It's a power when I go.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Yeah. Dada. I'm like the demon of. Dada, I'm like the demon of the thing. Okay. Oh my god.
Okay. Just
What's your pain? What you got? What's your pain? I'm gonna go forever.
in the first piece
No.
where you walk.
No, not yet. Alright. Let's go. I'm just gonna end the video. Bye. Thanks for watching. See you next time. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell button.
We're gonna film more later.
Alright. We're gonna film more better. We're gonna film more later. And alright, I'm just gonna end the video now. Bye.
지친 하루 끝 문득 들려온 너의 목소리 따뜻한 그 말 조용히 피어난 노란 봄 웃는 네 모습을 보면 괜히 심장이 빨라지고 너랑 걷는 이 길 위에 시간이 멈췄으면 해 눈빛 한 번이면 충분해 그 어떤 말보다 우린 깊게 이어져 지금 이 느낌 그대로 계속 바라볼래 조금만 더 이렇게 걷자 지금이 너무 좋아서 이젠 말해도 될 것 같아 널 향한 맘을 내가 먼저 다가가도 돼 그냥 옆에 있고 싶은 거야 I just wanna be close to you
Good morning.
그냥 이대로
Welcome to the morning calm. Ayan, nag-take kami ng tour. Come on, let's go, baby. Nag-book kami ng tour. Going to Nami Island. And now we are at the morning calm. At later, yan nga, pumunta tayo sa Nami. Uy, Diyos ko po. Nakishake pala to. Ayan. We're crossing the bridge. Oof. Yes, so nasa morning calm tayo and then we're going to Nami Island afterwards. And meron pang isa yung bike. Magbabike. I forgot the name. Pero, yep, we'll definitely show you later. Hoy! Is it really like this? Napakagalaw naman ito. Ano ba yan? So yeah guys, we'll show you around today. Dito tayo sa morning calm. Guys, tignan mo naman dito sa morning calm. Calm na calm. With a nice background music. Tignan nyo naman. O, diba? Hindi ka ba makakalma dito? Tignan mo naman ang ating view. Wala bang kape dyan? Mahal, do you like it here? You like it, Mahal?
We love it here.
Saranghe. Hello, boy. Uy. We love Korea. We love Korea. Oh, tignan natin ha. Up close, up close. Oh, up close. Akyat tayo. Si Kian na tamad. Ayan. Ayaw maglakad. Ang ganda dito. Ganda-ganda.
What's up, guys? Today we're in the restaurant. It's our last day that we're gonna live in Korea, and then we're going to fly to Vietnam, and then tomorrow we're flying to Vietnam. Never mind. Just hang on a second. Let me fix the camera. Ah, there. I also have the Zoe chips to already open. I won't taste it yet until I get my breakfast because I haven't eaten breakfast yet. Alright, we're just gonna wait for Mama and we're gonna eat breakfast. Right. Huh? Look at this. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Alright. I don't like it.
Ang lamig. Tumutulo na yung sipon ko. Second coffee. I'm drinking dolce latte. Mahal is drinking hot chocolate with parang may ice cream sa loob. Sa taas. And, Tsaka ako bumili ng salted bread.
I'm still eating chips. That's the only thing I can eat.
Okay yan. Kumakain ng chips.
Yeah.
Very bad.
I like
We
this.
have 40 minutes more to stay here. Tapos we're gonna move to the next attraction, which is the Nami Island. And magla-lunch siguro kami doon somewhere. Puro kain, no? Uy, tsaka ng hair. Hello naman. Puro ganito.
It's the best hot chocolate ever.
It's not hot because there's ice cream on the top.
It's hot. It's hot up here.
Tara, ano naman eh. Diba? Sinipon ako. Malamig. Ubusin muna namin yung namin drinks. Tapos lalabas ulit. Baka may makita pa tayo magandang view. And then, off to the next one. Nasa ferry tayo papunta ng Nami Island. Standing ovation. Nakatayo tayo ngayon kasi wala nang seat. Tingnan mo yung nasa likod ko. Merong wedding pictorial sa Nami Island. Ayan, so nag-lunch nga tayo doon sa popular tourist restaurant. Somewhere, doon lahat ng halos mga nagtutour.
Me!
Doon sila lahat kumakain ng lunch. So, ang kinain namin ay mix of fish cakes with some noodles, chicken, veggies, Korean paste. Yeah. It wasn't too spicy. Mild lang siya, masarap. And then, binudburan ng cheese. So, masarap naman siya. And then we had
I'm not.
sides, as usual. Yung mga kimchi, yung, ano ba yun? Cabbage na shredded cabbage. What else? Yung mga pickled green chili, pero hindi sila masyadong ganun ka-spicy. And then garlic, sa sides. It was good.
What's next?
Esekian. Dahil nga spicy, medyo spicy yun. Hindi niya kayang kainin yun. In-order ko lang siya ng rice and egg. Wala siyang ibang pwedeng makain eh. So yeah, nakakain naman siya ng rice and egg. Pero kapag talaga naka-holiday, hindi siya makain masyado. Tapos puyat pa. Pero okay lang. Bawi na lang pag-uwi. Importante mag-enjoy, makapag-explore. Diba?
나의 맘에 조금씩 자리 잡은 널 느낄 때면 괜히 잠을 설치고 괜한 이유로 내게 연락해 매번 같은 실수를 반복해 이런 마음이 익숙지 않아 끝없이 생각에 빠져 허우적거릴 뿐이야 Why don't you make me smile Why don't you tell me your heart 이 순간만큼은 내게 말해줘 You're my baby Tell me now 이제 매일 같은 시간 속에 나 이 자리에서 돌아오지 않는 너의 메아리를 기다려 Let me know if you have the same feeling as I do 자꾸만 마주칠 때 스치는 너의 그 시선이 떨어지는 방법을 모르는 저기의 저 별과 같아 어쩌면 난 먼 길을 바라보려는 건 아닐까 주저한 우린 언젠가 길을 잃을 텐데 Why don't you make me smile Why don't you tell me your heart 이 순간만큼은 내게 말해줘 You're my baby Tell me now 이제 매일 같은 시간 속에 나 이 자리에서 돌아오지 않는 너의 메아리를 기다려
Hello!
Let me know if
We're
you
biking! Hello, Dada!
And it's very okay.
Hi! This is cool.
Is it our first time in this?
Feels like dying. Vomiting.
So this is the last activity we have for today. And soon we're gonna head home or to the hotel, I meant. And tomorrow will be our flight to Vietnam. Vietnam naman ang i-explore natin tomorrow, guys.
I like Vietnam, and it's gonna be more better in Vietnam.
Why? You don't enjoy Korea?
Not that much.
Okay, guys, so I guess this is where I'm gonna end the vlog for today, our day 3 here in South Korea. So we'll see you tomorrow in Vietnam. Bye, guys. See you in Vietnam.